What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be installing BC Racing coilovers on the 2003 Solar Yellow SRT-4 that I have that I'm going to be trying to take to the track. Once I get those installed, I'll be able to throw on the ACR BBS wheels that I have that are wrapped in SRT-4 tires. I'm excited to install these. Let's get into it. But I just got the front coilovers installed. I had to kind of Frankenstein between two different sets that I bought between two different people. One set, half of them or so were C's, and then the other half I couldn't get the adjustment nut, and it was just a headache. So I put two different sets in front, and I installed those, and I put the ACR BBS wheels on, and they look really good, wrapped in the Azenis RT615. So I'm kind of excited to drop the car now and see how the height is. I'm not too sure. I kind of just set them both evenly where they're at, and we'll drop the car and see if we need to adjust anything.
Damn, we are still
monster trucking. Holy smokes. Compared to the rears, sorry for it being a little bright. All right, so looks like I'm gonna have to jack the car back up and drop it a couple inches. I don't want to go too low because I'll be on the track and I'm gonna definitely need to be turning and not rubbing. So I'm gonna drop it maybe an inch, inch and a half, just to get a decent fitment. Other than that, damn, they look good. They look good. I can't wait to take the car out, take some pictures. All right, let's jack it back up and do some adjustments. Holy smokes, does that fitment look good. I mean, that's almost damn near perfect. Damn. Yeah, that's like just about perfect. I completed the fronts. I'm gonna torque the wheels down. They look amazing. The fitment looks amazing. The tires look amazing. I am really excited to get the rears on, and I will finish that tomorrow, which will be a new day. I'll be refreshed. It's gonna look really good with all fours on. So, all right, till tomorrow. All right, we're out here on day 2. Just gonna finish the rear coilover install and see how this thing looks on all 4 ACR BBS wheels. All right, so you just saw me take apart the end link for the rear. I did go ahead and order brand new ones from Hotchkiss directly to replace these old crusty ones. So I'm maybe taking those out and replacing them with brand new. All right, so I'm not sure the height of the last person who had these coilovers. My front is here, and I want to go a 1/2 inch taller in the rear to still have that rake stance that SRT-4s usually come with stock. So I'm just going to go 1/2 inch taller in the rear and see how that looks. Moment of truth. Let's see how it looks. Man, that rear is stiff. It didn't move one bit. But I do think it's sitting a lot better than what it was. It's definitely less of a gap than what it was. And it's definitely not as close of a gap as the front. So that's the rear. I guess it's kind of hard to tell with the shadow there. It looks like there's more of a gap with that shadow. And I don't know why the camera keeps focusing. And that's the front. So the front definitely has way less of a gap than the rear. I could probably go down 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 an inch, but I think that looks pretty good for where it's at. All right, so I am 3/4 of the way done. The fronts are completely done, and the one side of the rear is done. And then I just have to do the Hotchkiss sway bars, and then that'd be it. Just have to do the one other side, get the end links on the Hotchkiss sway bars all mounted up, and the car will be completely, essentially done and ready for the track. Finally, after multiple days and multiple hours, the coilovers on the solar yellow SRT-4 are finally done.